Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today we are going to make these beautiful beads you're seeing. This one I made it with different colors, as you can see. I have my orange color, I have my yellow color, I have my green color, then I went back to orange, yellow, green, and so I continued. But then I used dark blue to do the edges, and also I added my button. Okay, you can easily open and close your button. And then in the second bib, I made it with just two colors, color purple and color white. If you look at the yarn, it is actually Yeye yarn made in Nigeria. I'm sorry you are not seeing it very well. What I'm telling you, the details, is called Yeye. The net weight is 40 grams and is actually made in Nigeria, Kano in Nigeria. Okay, and the main body, the color is purple. This white one, all I use it to just do the edges of my bib. I made a smaller bib and I made a bigger one. You can always make the size which you want. You can make yours in a circular style or anything. So let's get into the video. So I'll be using this purple yarn to make my bib, and I'll start with making a knot or tying a knot. You can tie your knot in any way, but this is the way I tie my own knot. Then you chain based on the measurement you want to make. You can make yours bigger, you can make it smaller or medium depending. So I made a foundational chain as long as this. All right, and then I'm going to enter my first row and I'm going to skip two, and into the third one I made a half double crochet. Into the next one, half double crochet, and into the next half double crochet. Half double crochet is all about with a yarn on your crochet hook. You grab a yarn, that's yarn over, and pull through. You will have three lines on your hook, then you yarn over and pull through all. That is a half double crochet. So this particular row is a row of half double crochet, and I'll continue till I get to the end here, and I'll meet you there. Now we've gotten to the end of this, so I'm going to chain two and turn my work into the base of that chain two. I'll make my half double crochet. Into the next one, make my half double crochet. Into the next, make my half double crochet, and I'll continue making this half double crochet because all through this bib I'll be working with half double crochet. So I'll continue making it, making sure that my edges are straight. I'll make it until I get to the actual measurement I want it to be, just like you're seeing it. I'll make it and I'll continue, and I'll meet you when I reach there. Same pattern. Here we have gotten to that edge that I want. So you can see how it is sitting pretty, and now I have to measure it to know the actual this thing I did. If you look at it, you see that I made 7 inches by width, and then by length, look at it. It all depends on you, the measurements you want to make it. Then if you check by length, you'll be having 5 inches. Okay, so as we've gotten to this place, the next stage is to make one part of the arm, which is I don't would I call it arm or what hangs on the neck, you know what I mean. So at this point I'm going to make about 10 half double crochets. This is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, this is the sixth one, this is the 10th one. So depending on how big or how thin you want it to be, you can always increase or reduce. Well, at this point I had to do the 11th one, so I ended up making 11 instead of 10. So chain 2 and turn. You don't need to continue making the middle, no way. You just have to turn and continue, and then you continue until you get to the length you want, of which I'll do here now and take the measurement. So watch closely and see. So just know that from the beginning to the end, all I did was have double crochet, only one kind of pattern. So if you're still watching my video to this point, please hit the subscription button, click on the notification button, and click and like my video so that my video will keep popping up, will keep coming up. Also, I'd like to hear from you at the comment section. Comment, say something. Tell me whether you like it. Tell me whether you had challenges doing your own. Tell me when you want to do yours. I'll be expecting your questions at the comment section, as I am going to answer each and every one of them. So we continue with this until we get to the point where I'll meet you. I had to recount here because I missed my counting. And now I'm doing 11 half double crochets. But at this point I missed my counting, so I had to recount to be very sure. So here is it. Now we need to do the cuff side. If you watch closely, you see how I'm going to transfer this, my crochet hook that is going straight to the other corner. Okay, so I did till 10th half double crochet. Now look at the measurement from that point to this. Look at it. Alright, so just make your half double crochet, but don't pull like you have 3 on the hook. Instead of you to pull through, bring out your hook and turn it the other side, and insert back your hook, then pull from the back just to transfer the strand to the other side. Now at this side I'll chain 2 and continue with my half double crochet. At this point I'm going to just make a six half double crochet from this side. Here, if it's hard for you, you can always pause, rewind, or watch the video again. Wherever you get confused, just rewind it and or start all over again. So just like that, when you get to the sixth one, you chain two and turn. So continue like this until we get to the level which we want. Mind you, this is the part where we'll be inserting our button to close it up when it's on the baby's body. And the same thing I did at this side, I'll do same at the other side. Alright, look at it. And the other side will be the same thing, just that it will be overlapping. One will be overlapping the other side. So I'll be doing it off camera and I'll meet you after then. Okay, look at it, I've done it. Look at the short one, look at the long one. So the longer one overlaps the short one. At this one, this is where I'm going to put my button. That particular place I'll put my button, but meanwhile, like I told you, I'm going to use two yarns to make it two different colors. So now that I'm done with the purple, I'm going to use my white yarn to go around it. I'll be doing half double crochet, the same pattern that I did on the body is what I'll be doing with the white half double crochet, sorry. So this is what I'll do all around my project. So I'll be doing the other part off camera. I'm sorry I did not put my hand well, so the camera isn't showing well here. Please do bear with me, but it's actually half double crochet that I'm doing all around the bib. Okay, it's not hard, it's very easy, and you can start and finish it without any problem. Now look at it, so beautiful, so fine. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.